Hello, it's Kai from Medical Surgical. In this video, we will briefly introduce our orthopedic traction frame. And this is the suspending type. It has a spacious room underneath without any obstacle to stop the C-arm scan. Before the operation for the orthopedic frame, now we have to flatten the table and operate it to the proper position. We can either operate from this hand remote control, or we can do it from the side column control with the zero press. And then we operate the height of the table to its proper position so the patient can easily get onto the bed. After this, then we come here to adjust the leg of the traction frame and make sure this beam will be on the horizontal level. And from here you can see we have two joints and we lose it. And then we are able to reposition the traction frame to the position for the patient's certain surgery. And then we tighten it. And also, depending on the length of the patient, we can adjust this section. And for the other side, we can do the same. So a proper traction position can be reached. Also, this angle can be adjusted. And then you can tighten it. And after this, also, we can operate the length from the crank precisely. It has a gauge here. Also, this boot direction can be adjusted. We just lose it and then we tighten it. Thanks for watching.